Oh, dude, they'd be so pissed. The guys that are constantly losing it, almost crashing into people.
It's the way it's always like that, no matter where you go. Ugh.
Throttle cut. Normal mode. Throttle cut. Normal mode.
I do one like that fast, like that.
Landing flat.
Sometimes I'll load my shit up. See ya. Yeah, there's two guys that I talked to. Is like John and then the old man Bob. Those are the only two.
373.
That's perfect. Perfect. Put it on the pile off to the side. Those are the discharge. Probably just a little warm too, right? Yeah, that's good. Yeah.
Right here?
Yeah, that's fine.
Right on.
All right.
Timer cleared. Gear up, flaps up.
He's like the greeter here or something like that. And he never says hi. Or,
Oh, wow.
the only time he ever said anything to me, he was like talking, no, you can't do that.
Oh, yeah. And then you watch him fly and he's being good too. It's like, dude.
Man, it's foggy.
It's just like ego trip. Oh, that way.
That's what it is. And then when he comes to you don't do shit. It's like,
Hella good.
Gotta stay low.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
The afterburner really helps.
It does, actually.
Because the red green ain't even that bright.
Nope.
Not now, at least.
Oh, yeah, look at that. It's totally going away. It's all right. Plane's going to come down wet.
you said the lights on this are real bright too, huh?
Yeah, they're sweet. I added them on the 2.3. Well, I tried to do them here, but I couldn't get the wire in, so this is bullshit. There's nothing there. I got two here, one on the bottom. Looks like all
So, hey, Brandon, check this out. I'll do it again so you can see.
Okay.
This is what I like about it. Even though it's not like crazy
no, it's not
fast,
crazy fast, but it is scale as fuck.
very scale. But watch when I, like right here, I pull up, and then just as it starts to slow down, see
Oh, yeah.
how it sags its tail when you pull up?
That looks real, dude.
Ooh, that was scary, but started to stall on me. It's a fun plane,
Yeah,
though.
that's that shit when you see them live, and they're both, or all four of them together, they do the roll.
Right,
It's like a fast roll like that, too.
right. Where all four of them roll together?
Yeah, that's it. Right
Yep.
Because it's not a slow roll. Sometimes they do the slow roll.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was at Half Moon Bay, or Watsonville Airport yesterday, and they had a bunch of Yak 50s.
Oh yeah, I
52s.
saw an Instagram post about that.
Yeah,
10,
they were all doing
9,
formation
8,
shit, and said it was super
7,
cool.
Hell yeah.
6,
I was talking to one of them, he's like, yeah, come on out. Got on the tarmac, taking pictures of them.
Oh, nice.
1.
Hella cool.
Time expired.
It's nice when they're cool like that.
Yeah, watched them all take off and then come back in, and then we went in and had something to eat.
Oh, sweet.
Yeah, it was cool.
Landing
Then
flat.
one of them, the chick, she's got the yak that you see at the Half Moon Bay, the red
Oh, the
one.
red one.
Yeah.
I love that.
52.
She's a tall blonde. What a body.
What?
Yeah.
Oh,
I was
she's
like,
fit from flying, too.
yeah.
Flaps up.
Yeah, I like it here. It doesn't roll as much.
Oh, I know what I'm gonna do. You know what I'm gonna do? Now I'm gonna put a light in the fuselage.
On which one? Oh, on the airliner. Hell yeah.
So it lights up.
That'll look
You can
badass.
see it. That'll look fucking cool.
I don't know, Brandon. There's something about flying here. This is a cool.
Man, that's what I'm saying.
It's a cool spot.